guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meryl. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. I got my nails done today. How freaking cute are these? I'm obsessed with them. So for today's video, I kind of wanted to do like a nice holiday glam moment. So I've filmed this twice before. Both times the lighting got all fucked up, and I think it's because of the palette I'm using. The packaging is white, so something just happens with the contrast and then it like gets all fucked up. So I'm gonna be using the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm not gonna show you. I'm just gonna like insert little photos of whatever product color I'm using so that the lighting doesn't get all fucked up. So I think we'll start with the face because I have some breakouts and I just want to cover them, you know? My last video I went pretty in depth on how I cover my breakouts, so you can check that out there. I'm obviously going to be covering them today, but I'm not really going to go into as much depth because that was a chatty ass video last time. So but yeah, let's get on into it here. I never really prepare myself the way I should. I always forget to wash my sponge before I need it, so I'm gonna go wash it. I'll be right back. First thing, I'm gonna put some chapstick on my lips. This is my Bite Beauty Agave lip sleeping mask. The reason I like to put on chapstick before anything else is because when I'm applying my foundation, ew, what the hell? When I'm applying my foundation, sometimes you get it on your lips. If you have product to rub your lips together with, it kind of pushes the foundation up off your lips, so it just like kind of removes it itself. It's nice. Anyways, okay, I'm taking my under eye brightener. This is Agave Black liquid under eye corrector. This brand is a really great brand. They are a smaller brand. Her name is Jessica Black. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. I just really like what the brand does. But yeah, so her name is Jessica Black and she's like a working makeup artist and she started her own brand. So she started doing makeup on trans women and I just really like the story. I'll link the brand in the description box, and yeah, they don't have like a ton of products, but I really like this under eye brightener. And yeah, I would be interested to try out more of their products. Okay, I think next I'm kind of doing my makeup a little bit backwards. Like normally I do my concealer first and then, I don't know. I'm just switching it up a bit today because why the fuck not? I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I just like the look of it better when the bronzer kind of pokes through the foundation. It looks more natural and more seamless. I didn't even tell you what I'm using. I'm taking my Fenty Freestyle bronzer in Butta Biscuit. And this way you can be like a little bit messy with the bronzer application and then you can just go in and fix it up with the foundation. Love this bronzer. Okay, next we're gonna go in with our foundation. Taking my Rare Beauty foundation in 170W. I absolutely love this foundation. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm taking my Pat McGrath L4 Skin Fetish concealer and I'm going to use this one to cover my breakouts. Actually, I think I'm just going to use this one for my under eyes too. I'm loving the way the skin is looking so far. So I'm going to go back in with a bit more bronzer just to refreshen it a bit. Next up is time for some blush, and I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta blush in She's So LA. I have only used this once and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love it so much. So we're going to go in with the powder first. now we're gonna go in with the cream. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Just like a beautiful nude bronze blush. It's perfect. It's everything I've wanted in a blush. Next up, we're gonna go in with our under eye powder. So I'm taking my Pat McGrath Sublime Blurring Under Eye Powder. Oh, got a bristle in the eyeball. That didn't feel good. Now it's time for some highlight. We're gonna take our Makeup by Mario Master Secret Glow Highlighter in Expensive. And I'm just gonna take some out with my finger, put it onto my hand to warm it up, and then go in with this beauty sponge. I have a feeling this product will run out pretty quick. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love it. Damn, I love the way the skin is looking. It just looks so pretty. And see those breakouts, they're pretty much gone. Like you cannot get rid of texture, but you can get rid of the redness. And the redness is completely gone. So fuck yeah, dude. Okay, next up we're going in with our Makeup by Mario palette. And like I said, I'm just gonna insert some photos of whatever the fuck I'm using. I'm going in with Matte 2 as a base shadow to have a base shadow. Okay, next up we're going in with Matte 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 6. And we're going to deepen up the outer crease. I think I hate this brush. Okay, next up we are going in with Matte 10. Now we're going back in with the very first shadow we used, which is Matte 2, and this is just to kind of soften the area between the top of the shadow and the bottom of the brow. You can even use setting powder to do this step as well. And now I'm just going to take this flat brush and I'm going to go in with this first shade as well and just kind of place this down where we're going to be putting our shimmer shadow. Just like in the front here. Just a little bit. These shadows blend together so nice. They feel so creamy and buttery. They're really, really nice shadows. I'm just going to do the bottom lash line now. I don't remember the last time I did like a smoky brown eye look. I'm into it. Okay, now we're going to take this little Pat McGrath single shadow. I got this on my most recent Sephora purchase and it was on sale for like $13, down from $35, and I was like, I fucking need that. So I fucking got it. This is in the shade Celestial. And we're going to place it on the lid where we had added that lighter shadow earlier. Oh my fucking god, is that pretty. It's like a little bit of a cooler toned shimmer, which I thought would look perfect with this eye look. Holy fuck, that's pretty, dude. I just want to continue to put this on forever. Then we're going to go back in with our first brush that we were using Matte 6 with, and we're just going to blend the edges together a bit. Just to make sure there's no harsh lines. Wow, I love it. I want to try to apply the shimmer with a wet brush just to see if I can get more of like a bam, you know? And we're also just going to hit the inner corner with some sparkle. After all, we're going to a holiday Zoom party, right? Now we're going to go in with Matte 11 and a bit of 12, which is just like the two deepest shades in the palette. And we're just gonna deepen up the lash line here. Fallout's gone. Honestly though, that fucking trick works like a charm. I think we're gonna go fucking balls to the walls, dude, and do some bottom waterline liner. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Life Liner. And for some reason, I want to set my face now because my skin's looking a little bit dry at the moment, just like under my under eyes. So I'm gonna set my face and then I'm gonna put on my lashes and we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, my lashes are on. These are so fucking pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these lashes. These are my Allure by Arch lashes in the style Carrie. And these are so beautiful. Oh my god, all of the lashes she gave me, like, there haven't been a single pair that I'm like, ugh. Like, they are literally all so beautiful. They're so well made. They're very comfortable. I highly recommend checking out her lashes if you are in the market for some new lashes. They're super, super beautiful. Okay, next up, last thing on our list here, we have time for some lip. I'm gonna do my little deep lip liner and then a lighter lipstick or gloss or whatever. So I'm taking my my NYX Cosmetics Urban Cafe. And then we're gonna go in with our Tower 28 Lip Jelly in Almond. Super, super pretty. Alright, you guys, this is today's final look. I am absolutely obsessed with the eyes. This Pat McGrath topper is so, so, so stunning. It is just absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy I picked it up. A few product standouts for me in today's video is definitely this Patrick Ta blush. I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. It is so stunning. The product itself is so soft. It's like, it's so finely milled. It's beautiful. It's so stunning. I love it. And also this Tower 28 lip gloss, dude. I love this lip gloss. It is so pretty. And of course, I just mentioned the Pat McGrath Pat McGrath eyeshadow topper. That's actually the first eyeshadow that I have by Pat McGrath. And wow, is it ever beautiful? I'm obsessed. It's super pretty. And the lashes. Okay, last thing that I absolutely loved product-wise is the lashes. They're so, so pretty. Once again, I highly recommend Allure by Arch Cosmetics for some lashes if you are in the market. I do have a discount code with Allure by Arch Cosmetics. It is Meryl20 if you want to check out some lashes, get a little discount for yourself. You guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I will have all of the products I used today listed in the description box down below, along with my Instagram handle. You can check me out there if you want. Please don't forget to share this video around if you liked it. That really helps me out when you share it. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.